In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert different shapes and format them accordingly in Microsoft Word. So let's say I'm going to insert some shape at this position and come to insert and then go to the shapes. Now you have different types of shapes that you can insert, from recently used to lines to rectangles to basic shapes and block arrows and so on. You can see so many of them, and you can have new drawing canvas. You can generate new ones in drawing canvas if you have an idea into what you want to draw. Now you can just select a given shape and you can just drag, click and drag. All right, so just select, click and drag, and you have that shape selected. And once you notice how once you draw the shape, you have the shape format enabled, which means you can vary the coloration from here, the theme style of the shape. You can vary the shape fill as well. From here you can have the side effect. If you want it to glow or thereabout, you can have all of these features attached to your shape. And if you want to write inside it as well, you can double click to start writing inside your text, or you can add some text directly inside the shape that you want. So you can click and move it around, and you can change the alignment. You can make it through a text or behind a text or in line with text, something like this. So you can have it in line with text, something like that. And now you can, once you double click, the shape format is back again. You can change the shape, or you can add the edit shape button so you can be able to edit it. So if you click on this, you can have the editing point. Once you double click at a given point, you can add the editing point. So you can click and move things around very easily. You can edit the shape to any shape of your choice. You can add different kind of style to the shape and so on. Okay, so you have a bunch of controls as regards the shape, the position, the wrapping, the align text if you have text within, and so on. Okay, so this is how to add in shapes of different types and customize it in Microsoft Word. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.